The 1937 Terraplane 72 Super Convertible Brougham that we have the pleasure of offering here is a sight to behold. Beautifully presented example, this car screams Art Deco in just about every single capacity. Finished in Mandalay ivory with a bold triple pinstripe and a matching beautiful red leather interior. One of the most unique aspects of this Terraplane is both interior and exterior, all of the different Deco design elements. In the interior you see all of the gauge cluster and the dashboard. It's just beautifully done and beautifully Art Deco. Obviously the exterior styling sort of speaks for itself in terms of the Deco appearance, but mated together they really give a wonderful presentation. Like many of the cars in the Gateway collection, the Terraplane will be sold without reserve. The team at Broad Arrow is excited to welcome all of you to our upcoming auction this August 17th and 18th at the Monterey Jet Center in Monterey, California.